This is a lychee. This is a shrimp ball. This is shrimp ball in lychee shape brought by Jack and Kings. Crispy grain on the outside, shrimp paste and diced water chestnut on the inside. It tastes delicious with a gorgeous appearance. It is super convenient to cook. No need to thaw. When the oil temperature reaches 320 degrees Fahrenheit, deep fry them in the pot for 6 to 7 minutes. Air fryer is also recommended. No need to thaw. Lay them flat on a tray and air fry them at 370 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. It's crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, smooth and delicious. No matter for dinner at home or a gathering party, it is tasty and pretty. Jack and Kings, a taste of China anytime, anywhere.